In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Acuity scheduling from Squarespace. This process, which will take us about 5 minutes, is straightforward but crucial for those looking to make modifications to their website or streamline their scheduling system. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, we need to navigate to the Acuity scheduling website. It's the starting point of our journey today. Once you've arrived at the site, your attention should be drawn to the login button. This is your gateway to accessing your Acuity account. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking on the login button, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This should be the email associated with your Acuity account, the one you used when you first signed up. Type it in carefully to ensure accuracy. Next, you're going to see a next button appear. Clicking on this is the next step in the process. It's how the system knows to proceed with the login process, moving you forward in accessing your account. Following that, you'll be presented with an option to continue with Google. This is particularly handy if your Acuity account is linked to a Google account, offering a seamless integration and a quicker login experience. Go ahead and click on it. Upon doing so, a list of Google accounts will appear. Here you must select the Google account linked to your Acuity scheduling. If you have multiple Google accounts, ensure you choose the correct one linked to your Acuity scheduling to avoid any login issues. The subsequent step will take us to a new level of navigation. You'll be required to go to your dashboard. This is where the magic happens, where you can manage all aspects of your Acuity scheduling directly. To make things easier, usually, there's a direct link to your dashboard provided in guides, or even in your Acuity welcome email. Once you've found your way to the dashboard, your attention should be shifted to the subscribe button. This is where you go to manage your billing preferences, including subscriptions. If you're looking to remove Acuity scheduling from Squarespace, handling your subscription first is a necessary step. A bright little bulb of wisdom here is that within the billing section you can cancel your subscription, which is a precursor to deleting your Acuity account. It's an essential step because handling your subscription status ensures that there are no loose ends before you move on from Acuity scheduling. However, it's worth noting that if you, like me, are not currently subscribed, you will only see the option to subscribe to them. This indicates that there are no active subscriptions tied to your account, a crucial detail if you're planning to sever ties with Acuity scheduling. To wrap up, understanding how to navigate the Acuity scheduling platform and manage your subscription is key to removing Acuity from your Squarespace setup. It ensures that you not only remove the scheduling tool from your website, but also settle any account-related details that might be lingering. Some final tips to keep in mind as you go through this process. Always double-check that you're logged into the correct account to avoid any unnecessary headaches. Also, remember to wait a few moments for each step to process completely before moving on to the next one. Sometimes these things take a moment to register in the system. And there we have it, folks. A simple step-by-step guide on how to remove Acuity scheduling from your Squarespace website. This process isn't complicated, but it requires attention to detail to ensure everything is done correctly. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has made the process clearer and that you feel more confident in managing your website and scheduling tools. Here's to making your website exactly what you need it to be.